you guys ready for the apple cannon?
We're ready.
All right, you guys, we're going to the apple cannon. This thing's pretty loud. Yeah. Yeah. It's an apple cannon. Look at the sky. Oh my. This is nice. So I got apple cannons. Alright, you guys. We got them. Dang. So we're picking up our apples real quick. We get 12 of them for 11.
Good job.
5, 6, 7, 8. Let him do it.
Okay.
9, 10. 2 more, Kaka. Get 2 more. 11. 12. Okay, we're good.
Come on, that's it. This one go up.
Alright, she loaded up the apple.
So is it ready?
Yeah. Well, I think you gotta.
Push this
I don't-
one. Yeah, wait for the. Okay, it's ready. Where am I shooting?
Do you aim at any other targets? Hit the pumpkin.
Okay. Oh.
Wait, how did it let go? It just releases. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta load it up. Load. Alright, you guys. She plays Call of Duty in real life.
Oh, you're gonna scare my eye.
Dang.
A little closer.
Hey. Load it. Okay, you can put it in next, okay? Yeah. You could try whatever you want. Oh, that was close though. High five.
Hit the red one, or the white one. Or the other one. Yeah. And it's the wind.
The red one again.
Yeah, you actually hit that one.
Right where it's at.
Until Kai pulls on it.
Last one. That's okay.
Oh!
As you guys can tell,
Kai's the best.
honestly, yeah, Kai's really good. I honestly don't know who won. Neither of us won. Yeah. We won as a family, as you all can tell. That was pretty fun. Y'all gotta try this farm out. It's called. We're gonna put it in the comments if you.
This ain't a farm, it's a pumpkin patch.
Or it's a pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch farm. Trying to become a pro, huh? Whoa. Oh, you caught it. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, are you ready?
Alright, you guys, so we're about to do a little competition real quick. We're gonna do 3 shots. We're gonna do 3 rounds. Whoever can make, I don't know,
Whoever can make the most out of 3.
out of 3, get 3 rounds. So
All right.
get started. Round 1.
You ready, Kai? Ba. Yep. Oh. Oh, I can beat that.
0 out of 3.
I can beat that.
What? Wow. It looks like she's going to win round 1. Last one. She's up by 1. All right, you won that round. Do you want to go first or last?
First.
All right. Round 1 winner is Juju. Give it up for Juju. Round 2. What? I'm gonna shoot from where you're shooting. 2? No, your mama, Kakai. You missed one.
No, I didn't. Look back. Right. Player.
It's actually kind of hard to shoot with this color on the phone.
No, it's not. What? Nope. Nope. Yeah, right. 1. Oh. Okay. Okay, shoot. Shoot the ball. Shoot it up here, baby. Over here. Shoot. Yay. Okay, he's way back here.
Ready? Ready?
Did you make that?
Oh. Can she make it? Oh.
Alright, last one. Huh? Oh! Oh, that was close. Twilight's pretty. We're inside this little play area for the kids. Oh, Dada and Kai are going through the windows. Come on. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Let's go through that hole.
Oh, yay! There's some little activities to do over here. Oh, and the gift shop. Look at this green pumpkin. That's gonna be Aaron's pumpkin.
Alright, you guys, we had fun at the pumpkin patch. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're also going to go grab our pumpkins. We're going to be doing the decorating. So look out for that video. Oh, God. Alright, you guys, we'll see you later.